Hello everyone, so this is Mrs. Kulkarni from USL Public School, and today we are going to continue with the part 2 of the history 10th standard history 7th chapter, that is sports and history. So in the last class we have seen what are the sports, what are the games. Okay, they are type of entertainment, the types of sports, indoor, outdoor. Then we have seen the Indian games and the international games, the different competitions being held, and how the globalization affects the economy. Okay, then today we'll continue with the literature and movies on sports. So literature is what are the things written on the sports. Publishing of books and encyclopedias of sports is a newly developing enterprise. Okay, publishing the books on the different types of sports, where you can have how it has been origined, or the history. Okay, and these encyclopedias of the sports are newly developing enterprise. The history of Malcolm has been recently published, and as we know, Malcolm was the favorite sport of Rani Lakshmibai. There is an encyclopedia on the subject of exercise. Some years ago, there was a sport magazine named Satkar. There is ample of literatures available in English on sports. Some television channels are exclusively devoted to sports, like you have Star Sports, Sports 123, Sony. Okay, so they are basically only for sports. Whenever you put on the channel, switch on the channel, only the sports events can be shown. Recently, some movies on sports and biography of players have been released in various languages. Okay, so these literatures and movies will give you the basic information, and it will help you to create the interest in the sport. Okay, the different books has been published. Then some television channels are making documentary, and nowadays very famous the biography movies are being done on different sports people, like for instance the film of Mary Kom and Dangal. The Mary Kom is the first Indian female boxer to participate in the Olympics and to win a bronze medal. And then Dangal is a real story based on the Fogart sisters, Geeta and Babita Fogart, who were the first Indian female wrestlers to win gold medals at the various international competitions. Other than that, you can have Bhag Milka Bhag. It was on the Milka, the life of Milka Singh. Then you have MS Dhoni. Then the book was written on the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar, The Million Dreams, isn't it? So on them also different movies have been done. Then if you have and other than that, if you see Sultan promoting that wrestling. Okay, then the process of making movies requires deep study of the particular period of the movie's story, language, dressing style, social life, etc. of that period. As we know, see, whenever we go for either we go for art and culture, we go for mass media, we go for entertainment, whenever the literature related to that, okay, or movie making related to that, the thorough knowledge of the history should be there. The thorough knowledge of the language, the dressing style, social life of that period, it is must. Okay, so if you see that Dangal, then Dangal, the Fogart sisters are from Haryana. Okay, then in the movie they should have that Haryanvi. Then Mary Kom is from Northeast, so that influence should be there, and Sachin is Maharashtrian, so the Maharashtra influence should be there in that movie. Then so that Ranchi influence should be there in the movie of MS Dhoni. You can't you can't shoot a movie in Tamil for MS Dhoni. Okay, the thorough knowledge of their history should be there. The language, dressing style, social life of that period, the people who were playing that sport, that is important to before writing anything on them or before making the movie on them. The students of history are well trained to do research of this kind. Knowledge of history of sports is also essential for writing articles of various publications like encyclopedia, newspapers, sports magazines, and etc. The thorough knowledge should be there, the deep knowledge should be there before writing anything in the anything in the articles or in the encyclopedia or in the newspaper, the fake anything, anything with you can't write with proper knowledge of history. You should write on in that. Then you have sports and professional opportunities. See, professional opportunities in general, if we discuss, then definitely people who are playing the game, they have a good professional opportunities. They may be representing their state, their country, isn't it? Then definitely they will be getting that that money. Okay, so they may be they are the representatives of that particular country. They are the ambassadors. Okay, then they may be having their own academy, as Mary Kom is having her own boxing academy, the wrestling academy. Even Fogart sisters are having, and the different cricket sports people, they are having their own cricket academies. So other than that also, the private also, they can have the professional opportunities. And if the retired people, they can go for commentary. Okay, although sports and history appears to be a distant as subject, there is a close tie between them. Students of history can find many opportunities in the field of sports journalism. One needs to restore to history in order to write articles, reviews about sports events like Olympics or Asiatic national and international matches. Expert commentators are in demand during sports matches, isn't it? As I told, a retired sports person, they can work as commentators. And to become a commentator, the basic knowledge should be and if see, for example, if a person is doing commentary for cricket, then he should have the knowledge of side, onside, leg side, isn't it? The perfect knowledge should be there. Then the experts, the people are having the great knowledge, can have the great opportunity, the professional opportunities. An expert commentator needs to have a good knowledge of the history, statistics, previous records, then eminent players, historical anecdotes, etc. Then related to the concerned game, isn't it? So if you're talking about cricket, the particular history since from the ground to the stadium to the pitch and the players, everything, the deep knowledge should be there. Knowledge of history is useful for them. Matches of various sports like cricket, football, kabaddi, chess, etc. are shown live on the television on various channels, isn't it? So when you talk about the sports and professional opportunities, then definitely the sports people, the sports person who are playing the games are having a good opportunities, as they are representing their nation, state and everything. And after retirement, so they can go involved in the commentary, and private they can start their own organization. The role of professionals who track and keep the record of these telecasts from various channels has become very important now. The sports channels continue telecasting round a clock. There are many professionals opportunities available in this field. Even on television also, many the sports can be telecasted. So even there also they have the professional opportunity. There are many professional opportunities available in this field. Referees are an essential factors of sports matches. The referees also there, umpires are there. Okay, the trained referees are required to pass qualified examinations. Qualified referees can work at district, state, national and international levels. Government and private sectors are trying to promote sports. There are scholarship offered to sports person. There are reserved seats for them in the government and private establishment also. So if you see if you see Harbhajan Singh, he is an SP in Punjab. Okay, Superintendent of Police in Punjab. So the reserved places also they have in the field of government and private sectors. So if you have, see, for example, if you talk about the professional opportunities, then if you talk about cricket, so the first thing comes is your cricket. So there you have trainer, coach. The coach is an ex-player, okay, ex-sportsman. Then definitely after retirement also he's having a work opportunity. Then comes to sports person. Then sports person, you can represent your country or your nation or your state then the medical support you have, then you have referees, then you have umpires, you have commentators, okay, expertise who analyze on the television. So these all are the professional opportunities only, isn't it? Then next you have Balji Pandit. Balji Pandit was the first Indian cricketer to pioneer cricket commentary. You know, the commentary can be delivered in either in the local language or in the international language, that is English. People used to listen very eagerly to his broadcast from Akashvani. Okay, Akashvani, you know that radio. Okay, he was the first person who started the cricket commentary on radio. His well-studied commentaries were full of information about the history of the playground, career history of the players, then anecdotes about the game, then establishing records of the game. His commentaries used to be entertaining because of these historical data. See, what is that? He was very famous commentator during the olden days. He was the first person who delivered commentary on Akashvani, and in that what he used to he was supposed to give, he was giving the information, as I told, from the playground say lekhe, from playground, the career history of the players, who started first, which was the first match, and when he hit the century, okay, how many wickets they got, and the individual record of the player, okay, and everything used in detail used to be delivered by Balji Pandit. So on him also a question can be asked out of 2 mark. Okay, so he was the first Indian commentator. Then you have Sarit Sagara. Then Katha Sarit Sagara is very interesting description of games and toys. So this is a literary book. Okay, Katha Sarit Sagara is in this the description of different games and toys being given. There are descriptions of flying dolls. It mentioned that on pressing a key, some dolls used to fly, some used to dance, and some used to make sounds. We know this, nowadays we have drones. Okay, so Katha Sarit Sagara is a book in which the different types of the description about the different types of games and toys being written. Then next is about your Major Dhyan Chand. So if we see about Major Dhyan Chand, the award can be given on his name. Okay, Major Dhyan Chand award is given. Okay, so and Dronacharya award, Ekalavya award, along with that Major Dhyan Chand award is also given by the Indian government to the sports people who are doing an incredible job, outstanding job in their particular field. Major Dhyan Chand, an expert player of hockey, was also the captain of Indian hockey team. Indian hockey team won gold medal in 1936. So if you are related with that, you can watch a movie of Gold. Okay, Gold with Akshay Kumar at Berlin Olympics under his captaincy. He was also part of previous Indian hockey team in 1928 and 1932, which played at Olympics and won gold medals. 29th August, the birth date of Dhyan Chand, is celebrated as National Sports Day. In India, he was known as the Wizard of Hockey. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1956. And one more thing you can add, on his name the award can be given to the sports people. So on his birth, see, Major Dhyan Chand was the first hockey player, an expert hockey player and the captain of Indian hockey team. And when he played 3 times, his team won gold medal. One was in 1936, 1928 and 1932 in the Olympic. Okay, and his birthday celebrated as National Sports Day in India, and he's known as Wizard of Hockey, and he was honored with the Padma Bhushan, and on his name people Major Dhyan Chand award can be given to the sports people who have done an outstanding performance in their field. Okay, so on him the question can be asked, or the picture can be given, and can be asked write on this. So these are the different things which we have seen in this chapter. It's very interesting and very simple topic, that is your sports and history, as everybody is involved either the way in sports. Okay, we know this very basic indoor, outdoor, Indian, international. Okay, in that a few are our favorite games also. Okay, so this is all about your sports and history, and as I told already, the related questions, notes, everything I'll send you on WhatsApp. And other than that, if you have any doubts, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.